All right, today in the shop we've got a Honda TRX 450 carburetor. The corners broke out where the mounting plate goes for the throttle cable. So we're gonna TIG this back up, square it off, and get it back going. So y'all stick with us. Okay, we've got all the JB weld dremelled out of there. So now I've got some fresh metal. I'm gonna clean it up some more and hit it with some acetone, and then I'll be able to TIG it up. All right, we've got it pretty clean. Now it's time to clean it with some acetone. Not bad for a little bit of Dremel tool work. All right, the everlast in the background's done it again. We got our finished product right here. We got everything put back, so customer should be happy. Y'all stick around.